Hi, I'm Mike at OCD Lawn Care, and it is Friday that I've got literally about 5 hours before the hosepipe ban. I did no mow May. You might have seen that in the previous video. Go back and have a look if you didn't. Ridiculous. And I did ruin my lawn. But we are on a hosepipe ban, southeast water 4 marks. Haven't had one for 14 years, so can't cry too much, but that's fantastic. Can't use a hosepipe. So this has got to go away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and keep my grass cool using the Ego. May work, may not, but it's going to water my plants. I'm going to show you how. So I've got some dry patches, and this is all catweed damage. I'll show you over that. And I've got a dry patch here, bone dry. Needs a wetting agent. Got let down with my wetting agent. I use Absorb. So I've got some Johnson & Johnson shampoo, so I'm going to squirt that in there. Put some wetting agent in here, just with some water, a little bit of seaweed, and see how we go. Let's show you what I'm going to do until they lift the ban, right? Because I could say my hose is identifying as a watering can, but I don't know, you know, who knows what the neighbours will say. But it can identify as a watering can, I'm sure. So we won't play those games, we'll play it fair and square. It is what it is. Bring your height cut up and just see what you can do. So have a look, see what I'm going to do, see if I can make this stay green. Let's go. Oh, and please understand, that isn't frayed cotton from my shorts. They are my legs, believe it or not. Terrible, I know. So let's show you what I'm going to do, how I'm going to get over this until the ban's lifted. Crazy, right? My customers have got so expensive lawns. Some are like £5,000, £6,000 over a period of time, and they expect them just to die out. And also, will it die out? It'll go dormant, and if you're not allowed to water after 5 or 6 weeks, the crown of the plant will die and the root will die. And that is dead. Ryegrass, bent, fescue. Fescue will hang on the longest, but it will die, trust me. So I suggest 5 weeks, 4 weeks. Ring them up and tell them you need to water it, because you're not going to let a £5 lawn go round the U-bend, right? So let's get this filled up. Okay, problem number 1. There's my knapsack. This is my front garden. Got to deadhead those roses. Here's my tap. Can't put the knapsack on that, so I'm done for. And tomorrow it will be illegal to put that on there. I get £1,000 fine and a criminal record. I don't want a criminal record for using the hose, do I? That's a nightmare. So what am I going to do? Well, open this up. I've already got my shampoo in there, bit of seaweed. Not allowed to put anything flexible on there, but I could put my knapsack under if that plant wasn't there. That wouldn't be against the law. So this is what we do. Watering can. 6 litre watering can. Get about 16 litres in my knapsack. Don't want to waste it. Right. Let's tip that in there. Liquid gold, this is liquid gold. Pay for it, but we're not allowed to use it. You just drink it. Washing machine, dishwasher, shower. Blimey. Right. Just a bit of one and we're full. Okay, so this area is reading a 0 on the scale. It's stony in there, there's a bit of rubble, and there's no water. That is dry patch. That's hydrophobic soil. And I'll prove it to you. We'll move this just over to here. and take another reading. And we're in the green. Needs a drink, it's getting low. That's why we're doing this today. So let's go over these areas. Look at that one, off the chart ringing wet. Down. Not too bad though, bottom of the green. And a 0. So basically, where this lawn is angling off, let's zoom out, where it's angling off, you can see all the dry patch. And it is very, very compact. It's clay soil here. So it needs a lot of wetting agent. This area, that's green, will be fine. Maybe this tree is affecting this area, but I know I've got a lot of cats that come in my garden. So I scare them off now. I'm not so nice. Look at that. Yeah. It's not a disease. That was from No Mow May. And you'll see where the house casts a shadow, the shade. It's not too bad there, but the runoff and compaction down that side. So I need to really aerate that. I've got the Cayman aerator. I will do that Sunday, smash some holes in there. So let's get the wetting agent in and see if we can get any water in that 0 soil area here. Let's give it a go. Okay, got 24 bar on this thing. So let's push it in. Listen to that. Keep it low, clay soil. And I filled up 6 litres from the watering can. And I'm going to push that wetting agent through, see if it soaks in. It's soaping up nice. Right, take a reading. So, from a whopping 0, I'm now on the bottom of the scale. So, it's not a proper wetting agent. I know this, don't all come at me. And that's still soaking in. So, I could do some more. But that is so compact, that ground. Now look at that. The further down I go, that is getting through there, guys. Look. Yeah, so it's not a gimmick. That was 0. And it's massively compact. Compact clay is going to repel the water anyway. I'm fortunate that I have an aerator, so I'm going to push loads of holes in this because I'm struggling to get this in. Wowzers. Now look at that. We're on a 0. Look at that soaking through. This isn't fake, this is real. Okay. And we come to an area where there was no wetting agent in a green bit of grass, not a dead bit, and that's giving me a low reading. So what I need to do, all this edge, push it out. You can see where the dry patches are, but this is catch urine. Literally had Garfield party out here, telling you. So, and some dry patch. So watch me get the wetting agent out over there with, I'm very lucky I've got 2 of these. This is just for my flowers, 24 bar, and I'm going to smash it through into that canopy, and then I'm going to give it a drink. So let's go. So I have probed those areas, and you think, well, these need a drink or they're dry patch. They're not. They're giving good readings, like 7, 8 out of 10. So it was cat urine. I will get a cat scarer. Right. I know where my dry patch is because I've been round with the probe. Oh, it's heavy, but I'm not going to let this beat me. 24 bar, let's go. I'm dry up here. Absolutely on maximum. You don't want to be spraying up high, low into the ground. It's dry patch. I know this is a dry patch because I've done my work with the probe. Power of this is incredible. Just so you can see, look. I think it's powerful. Right, I'm going to fill that up. Same procedure. Using the watering can, nothing flexible attached to that to the tap. No breaking the law. I'm allowed. I've checked this. So one more knapsack because I'm going to show you something different. Okay, I don't have a lot of plants, but the ones I do, this is how I'm going to water them. Let's swap this nozzle out, the fan nozzle, and with this sprayer, I'm not trying to sell this. I just love it because I want the world's most powerful sprayer. I have 3 nozzles, twist nozzle that comes with it, which you can do the cone. And this is a rose. Fantastic, right? Because that's going to do, I've got 15 litres of just pure water now and remnants of wetting agent in there. So I give my plants a drink with this. I'll show you. Also got a foam nozzle, so I'm not allowed to wash your car anymore. Just bought a new car. So I'm going to use the foam nozzle and then use that other nozzle that I just took off to wash it off. Just, it's white car, gets dusty, just blow it off. Right, let's show you this. So, let's give these a drink. And look at that. That's just on gently. Turn it up. And a little bit of wetting agent in there as well, because your pots do go hydrophobic. Look at that. Let's stick that in there. Tiger lily rose needs a prune. I will do that this weekend. Do you know this was struggling? And believe it or not, I put a few Kiss My Grass summer slow release granules, and bosh, I got loads of roses come up. But it needs a spray. It's got a bit of a disease. It's that one. Look, there's not much going on here, but there's one alive left. I don't care for plants, I'm a grass man. I didn't do nothing with the plants this year, guys, so As you can see, a lot is dead. What is alive, we keep alive. So, for the video, got 2 of these. Needs a drink bad, right? Come on, stay alive. Southeast water want you dead. And the last one, look at that weed hanging out there. Okay, you're thinking, can he really do his lawn with that? Well, let's see. 24 bar pressure. So, you see, has enough pressure to clean my slab. Not like a jet wash. It's pretty good. So, I will be able to cool the grass down at night. And it puts water out. Let's do this one. Look at that, beautiful. So let's conclude. So there we go. I'm going to give it a go using the Ego knapsack, cut on number 7, highest on the Ego mower. Just keep it long. It's better keep it live rather than short. So that's the wetting agent all out. Last time the tractor runs, that's going to follow a line all the way down to the ramp, go over the ramp and close the valve. So yeah, I'll be putting that away. I'll let you know if I can keep it alive, because I'm going to just use that knapsack. If it can clean a patio, I'll just keep filling it up with the watering can, right? Easy. Won't be enough water, but it'll keep the grass cool. And a little bit of seaweed. So yeah, you don't want to get £1,000 fine. I couldn't really care, if I'm honest. I pay for my water. I'd like just to use it. But you know someone's going to grass up because there's too many woke people out there. So, watering this, last chance for it. Give it a weed treatment on Sunday in 2 days' time. Get these weeds gone and it'll be what it'll be. If you did get a fine, you could be prosecuted and you actually get a criminal record, and your offence would be that you use the hosepipe during the ban, and that affects you if you have a CRB check, and you won't get a job in a care home because they think you might squirt the elderly people randomly, you know, just addicted to that hose, squirt people. You'll get a job in a garden centre as a fireman or fire lady. You'll get those sort of jobs, but you're not going to get a job in a care home. Garden centre, you get a job in a garden centre. So anyway, take care, love you all. And I'll see you at the next one. I'm at a lawn tomorrow, 7,500 square metres, and I'll be watering everywhere on a hosepipe ban. Why will I be doing that? Let's think. Because I've got a borehole, 40 metres deep. So I'll be squirting water, and people will be looking at me strangely. I'm going to enjoy that one. See you soon, guys. Love you all.